Hello all, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to apply for an AWS Community Builder program. Yesterday we got an intimation from AWS. So the application links got open. Basically, the links would be distributed with the community builders firstly. So before getting to open into the public, maybe it will take 22 to 24 to 48 hours. So get into the public. So we got an means we got an community builder program link. So maybe I am going to sharing with you saying that I have already communicated through my LinkedIn. Maybe you can refer from my LinkedIn post. From there also you can go ahead and enroll it. And before that also I would like to go through step by step so that those who are having for the new to this field or maybe new to this they can maybe they will understand easily for the how to apply how to fill the forms to from the starting to end. Okay, so please just uh, keep watching on this video for till the end so that you will understand step by step as a process, how to apply, from which steps to which step we need to follow, and what is the next step, what are the details we need to be uh, feed into that particular form. So what are the mandatory, what are the non-mandatory field, so that you will be understand from start to end. And I'll also walk you through from step one to till the step end. So stay tuned for the till the end of this video so that you will understand end to end. So you will also go and I would always encourage to go and apply for that. So whether you will be getting or maybe not getting, that would be the different case. So first apply into that. So you will also get more benefit from that AWS Community Builder program. Okay, so let me tell you about so what is this program about? So it is initiated by the AWS. It is a global program. So which is mainly used for those who are having this technically they'll be sharing their knowledge and also giving the technical sessions or conducting the workshops or maybe for the writing blogs into that community. So those who are having that knowledge sharing, okay, skills from AWS specifically for the content creation, so those can able to means those are all eligible to apply for this program. So let get into this program. Let's see how to uh, go for the step-by-step process. First, let me open my LinkedIn post. Okay, anyhow, I just already sh shared with my LinkedIn post. If you want, go there. I just let me go to this my post. Okay, so you see here, see, I have already shared the links. Okay, if you want access it from this link, and you can click by using this link you can click it and you can from there you can proceed for this form filling. Okay, so and also let me show you. So basically for the AWS community builders, right, so we used to get a message from this Slack channel. So right now you can see here there are 3,111 builders are already available for the AWS. So these are the message which is received from the AWS saying that okay, so the 2024 community builder application is now live. Okay, so the new builders can join for this program. So you are all the first to get this link. So please share it for wide community lines. So this is the link. A deadline would be for the January 28th. Okay, so today is the 15th. So last date would be January 28th. Okay, I hope you are clear like so which link we need to follow and for the deadlines. Okay, so please note that this is the first time we are using for the authenticated application, which means that so this is the first time we are going to log in with your builder IDs. Okay, earlier see somebody from who's having that as a public, they can you can go ahead and enroll it directly. Now you need to have that builder IDs in order to proceed with that. That is what we are trying to say here. So once you have, first of all, you need to create a builder ID first. Okay, so that is that. This means that the application will need to use a builder ID to apply or create a. If you don't have one, just you need to create. Okay, this email address provided doesn't have the same as the builder ID. Okay, I think you just create one builder ID. Maybe I'll share with this link for this community builder program as well as for this builder ID, how to create a builder ID in this video description. Let me show my how to create a builder ID first. Okay, so just click on this. I'll share this details. Okay, so for this link in the description, maybe you can get it from there. I have that already. Okay, builder ID. It is kind of, it's not like, okay, so this kind of AWS certification and trainings ID only. Okay, just you go here. Maybe I have that already signed in. Let me go to here. So this is the URL. Let should get open. Okay, so if you don't have, so you have already builder, means I have the already. If you don't have, maybe you can sign up. Okay, for this. So I have that. So I just uh, logged in with this. Okay, just for this. Okay, then okay. So this is my AWS Builder ID. Just like AWS training and certification. Okay, so you can log in with that account, and once you have this AWS Builder ID, by using that builder ID, you can able to log in with, means you can proceed for that form filling application. Okay, so let me get into this form filling application. Like okay, click on this link. Maybe I'll share with this link to you. So once you have opened, okay, so the page will get opened here. So before going to that, let me show you that page also, like the AWS Community Builder page, right? So go into that. So click on this page. Okay. So here you see, uh, okay, so this is the page which is describing about the AWS Community Builder. And if you need more detail about this AWS Community Builder, then you can go ahead and read it from this to understand more about what is this program all about. Okay, I think it would be good. From there, you see the application form is program is currently closed. This will get open for early 2020, which means so it is already open, but it is not enabled yet. Means it will take means around means 24 to 48 hours gets opened so that public can able to view it and they can able to log into that. And also, if you have already, and one more point is here that if you have already registered for the waiting list, so you will be getting a notification most probably to maybe tonight or maybe later. uh, so from there, once you have received that email from the AWS, you can click on from that link and you can proceed for the form filling applications. Okay, this is one point. I hope it is clear now. Let me go to this form now. Okay, so I think maybe once you have clicked that link, maybe I'll share you the link how to create a builder ID and also how to this form link. I think maybe for the new who are going to register for that, so you can use that and you can proceed further. Okay, so you have that, right? So the application is forward. Okay, then you can log in here. As I told, so if you want to log in, you have the builder ID. I think I have already, so I just logging into that. Go here, and if you have any concern or any clarification required in between, you just always okay reach out to me via LinkedIn as well as through the comment. Maybe I'll immediately help you on that. So how to proceed further? Okay, I think that would be fine. And let's see. You see here, I think for the AWS 20 community build application form, I thank you for your interest. Like you go through this, with the application window open until midnight. Okay, UTC January 20th, 2024. Okay, the application will be reviewed and application will receive an email regarding status of the end of the March. Okay, I think once this window gets open till after 28th, so you after 20th you don't have an option to apply for this since the links will get closed. So how many people are already applied? So those who are all applied for this during this window, this will get into this AWS Community Builder Forum. Then the application applicant reviewer will review all those application those who are it's already filled it. Based on that, they will finalize the result. Okay, so that is the reason they're saying the application will be reviewed. It is not like those who have those who are all applied, all the people will get into that. It is not like that. So they will have the thorough review based on that for the content which you are providing, and no problem. But anyhow, I'm just telling that. So after that, they will be released for that result. Okay. So the result would be like, okay, maybe you will take this data when you are applying, means when you are filling those things. So it will be useful for your reference to understand when the result out, all those things. Okay. The application will be reviewed. The application will receive an email regarding the status by the end of the March. Okay, which means so you will be getting an email whether okay you will be selected. Those who are selected, I think those who are all not selected might not receive any email from that community AWS. I think maybe you can try to say means apply for the next uh, cycle. Okay, means the next cycle. Okay, the program base is limited, not for all applications will be approved. So I think you can go through that. I don't want to. Okay, and also you see here the technical we are currently in age 18 and older. Okay, who can create a communicative long written video content, blog, post, video, webinar, and tutorial that help other AWS builder to learn and build on AWS. I think you have to show your blog post, videos, webinars, tutorials, and for etc. Okay, in order to uh, eligible for this AWS Community Builder. Okay, I think you can go through this point. In this application, you will be asked for this link, and anyhow, they will get into this step-by-step process. But contribution would be have been okay. So created 1 to 12 months ago. We will not consider the application content published within our 4 weeks. Okay, 4 weeks of your application because we are looking the builders with established pattern of helping other builders on their content. Okay, if you don't have minimum of two community contribution for the last 1 month, the application will not be accepted social media short term or not considered community programs for the success of the application. If you don't meet this requirement, we encourage you to work on your contributions and apply for your apply for the program next year. So, which means that so right now AWS having only one time per year. The application will get open for single time in a year. So earlier, before this year, we have 2 times. Okay, 6 months once we have the application gets open. And right now, from this year onwards, AWS changed that pattern into single time for this application. Or means for this year, from this year onwards, you will be getting an this link to get open for only one time. Just for this year, it's get open. Till then, for the next year only, it will get open. So I hope these points got clear. I think maybe it's pretty good. Then we'll go for the next steps. So do you meet this requirement? Yes. If you see here, so if you fall into this category, just yes, I meet this requirement, apply for this program, just click that, then go for the next. So then you see, are you part of this any of the community programs? So we means AWS having these many community builder programs. These are all community builders. If you want to understand more about this, AWS Ambassador, Cloud Club, Community Builders, AWS Heroes, and User Group. So just click on that and go through this. Okay. If you want to understand, if you want to more about, if you want to apply for that. Okay. So I think that would be better. You just click on this link. It is a clickable link only. So you click on it and you can understand maybe more about this program. So okay. Now for the fresher, right? So doesn't have anything. Okay, nobody means for the first time applier doesn't doesn't follow with this category. So just click on this. Okay, I am not part of this any of this program. Just click on this and you click for the next one. Then are you an Amazon employee? Okay, so most probably if you have Amazon, you employee, just click yes. If no, no. Okay, then go for the next. Are you analyzed, means accredited member of the press? Okay, I don't have option in this option, no. Okay, so I think you can select accordingly. Then you see here, I think you can fill it your name, first name and last name. Okay, so preferred email ID. For example, okay, uh, first first name and last name and email ID. I'm just giving for the sample. Okay. Maybe when you are filling, just go through this accordingly. Okay. And then please repeat your email address, company name. I'm just giving some sample data, job title. Okay. So have you applied this program before? No. For the first time. If you have applied earlier, maybe you can try. Yes. Okay. In what country you are residing? Okay. You just select. I'm just right now. I'm in India, so I'm just selecting India. You just once you are done. Maybe once you have all the punch done for the that page, we have 14 page. Okay, it is very lengthy process. So I think I just want to since I have applied for last year means I have been selected. So I just want to share my thoughts. Okay, so those who are having some of the doubts during for the form filling, I just want that is the reason I just want to go through one by one each page to explain the things so that it will be easy to understand for that the applicant. Okay, so that is the reason I want to explain the steps in detail. Oh, just okay. So now, do you consider yourself member of an okay underrepresented demographic community? You just if you read here, so it is hold a small percentage. I think so. I think if you yes, just select yes. If no, just select no. Okay, strive to maintain. We strive to create and maintain diversity within AWS Community Builder. How does the background unique? Okay, I think you need to give some data, details, information with respect to this question. I'm just giving some sample data, sample info. Okay, just but you give your detail information with respect to the question. Okay, now you see each approved AWS Community Builder applicant will assign to this topic area, then group the alliance okay for the individual this doesn't limit you in a way from participating for other topics areas as well. Okay, I think please select the topics align. It is aligns mostly closely to the content you are creating, which means so. For example, you are basically creating the cloud related operation content or maybe containers related operation content or maybe data related or maybe dev tools related or maybe web application mobile application development or maybe machine learning or mm, artificial intelligence or gen AI related content and for the networking or content delivery related security related or maybe serverless application related. Okay, so I think you just go through here, you see this is the category 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 category. In that 9 category, so what is cloud operation? Okay, this category focus on observing config. Okay, looking for advocates such CloudWatch, System Manager, config, and service catalog, something like that. Okay, for the some brief information about this particular each category. Okay, so just go through this. I think you will be understand more about that. Okay, I think, for example, I've been part of serverless earlier, means I've been part of serverless category since last year. I'm just okay. You go through this point and understand accordingly. You can select it. Maybe I am just selecting for your information. Then go for the next. Okay, and you see here for this over the past 12 months, how often you will be participating these activities below, like which means uh, I think for this. Answer which is provided right so authoring technical blogs speaking about this AWS public events hosting events meetups answer AWS question with stack overflow data all those things contributing open source project okay sharing insights about social media okay like if you see you go through this point, the answer points which is provided here, and you see you have that option to select like never, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. Okay, I think so. The if somebody is having the contributing for this all the categories, I think you can select accordingly. Might be it's not a compulsory section, right? So you can maybe I can write only for the author, means authoring technical blogs every month. Okay, then I used to select this one. Maybe I can contributing open source project or maybe insights to social media. Maybe I am doing this one also. Maybe if you are doing the same thing like sharing insights on social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or means Instagram, whatever the social media. and you just select it here. Okay. I think I just giving this. I'm just selecting this frequency. How frequency you are sending? Like for the blogs, I'm writing for monthly one. The sharing, okay, AWS instance on social media, maybe weekly. Okay. So this is for my thought. Maybe which I'm doing it. Just for sample understanding purpose, I'm giving to you. Of from your side, maybe you need to think about according. Means you aware already which area you are doing for which frequency. I think you can figure it out accordingly and select it. Okay. Then we'll move on to the next. Okay, sorry. I think four responses occurred for this question. Okay, four responses. Okay. So hosting events, speaking about, okay, and contribution open source, or maybe answering questions. Okay. So you select two more responses occurred. Okay. Okay. So which means that I think everything you need to do. For example, I am okay. I am doing for this technical blogs for monthly, right? So speaking about, I am not doing. Okay, I am just selecting this. Never. Okay, sorry. Then now hosting also I am not doing it. Answering questions I am not doing it. I'm just telling. So if you are not doing, just select this one. Contributing over, I'm not doing. Okay, so just you need to provide. Actually, it is mandatory. So for the six answers you need to provide. Whatever you are doing, just select it. Whatever you are not doing, just select for never. Okay. Now go to the next. I think you integrate content. Okay, community environment as such even 0. Yes. Okay. Which include copy generative. Okay. So however the code generated, coding assistant. Yes. Do you certify that content links are submitted, review contents are your own? Okay. Do not miss. So you should not take the copyrights contents or maybe for the data which is already there in the internet or maybe for the documents or for the medium, means from the blogging channels or maybe for the chat GPT. Should not create the content from that. And this should be the content which you are going to create from your end. And it should be, yes. Do you certify the links or submitting review contents or your own? Yes. Okay. I think you need to select. Then please share minimum of two links. Okay. I think the links, which means so the sharing link, right? Whatever the data, whatever the uh, contribution which you are providing for the community, so you need to share those links. For example, I am sharing, for example, I am sharing the content via medium channel for the technical blogger, as well as for the video content creation from YouTube. So which means that I have two channel, two ways I'm sharing my knowledge. One is for the tech blogging channel, and for blogging channel, and another is for content creation channel. So I need to give, for example, YouTube means YouTube, you just provide the full link. Okay. YouTube. And for medium channel. Okay. You just provide the link. I think you are maybe it will be good. Okay, so this is for option. I should not just go through this. If it is any whatever the mandatory you use, if it is optional, just for your understanding purpose. If you really want to contribute, means you provide your content, just give it. Okay, then go to that next. Okay, please share at least one link to any one of the profile, the better understanding of AWS experience. Okay, so we in this ask your means links, right, option. So what you need to do, you just provide your the data which you are sharing to the community, which is widely recognized, means widely used. Just provide that. For example, if you are sharing the content via YouTube, you just provide that. If you are sharing via tech blogging channel, you share that. If you are sharing the data from you, means from the LinkedIn channel, social media, okay, you just provide that. I'm just providing any one of the link, just accordingly. And one or two is not mandatory, means it's not a mandatory. So you see, I think all the links are optional only. Okay, so it depends. Maybe if you have two to three links, or maybe six links, or maybe four links, you just provide accordingly. Maybe so, just provide as much as possible. So to get means you will get the more percentage of okay for the selecting the application, which means it is not mandatory like okay, so you need to provide one or two, but if you have that more links which you are sharing your content, just provide that. Okay, next you go to this. Okay, Did you did any AWS employee or AWS hero or community builder refer to you? If yes, please share the name and persons who encourage you. Okay, so I would encourage you, means those who are having to interested. Okay, so if you want to mention the AWS existing community builder, you please reach out to me, and also you just comment with this video channel. So I can provide my detail so that you can give the detail to here. uh, it will be useful for your form assembly application. Okay, this is okay. This would be good option to encourage you. Okay, you are connecting with the AWS community builders, which you have already there, and also you're sharing your content, also getting some insights from them, also sharing your knowledge. So it would be giving some weightage. So better to if you want. Okay, so if you would like to add the data, or if you would like to if you would like to add my the existing builder, if you know anybody, just share with that name, means provide that name. I have a name with here, name with along with the detail. And if you want to, maybe if it doesn't have anybody, means if you don't know anybody, it's just encourage you to, okay, so reach out to me, or else maybe comment to me, comment, provide the comment in the section. Okay, so you need for my details so that I can provide for this. You can go ahead and provide my name for the reference. Okay, then it will be easy. Maybe it will be get more value for that. And also, then you have this next 5 question to agree. Okay, in order to in order to participate this program. To be eligible for participate this AWS Community Builder program, you must have at least, yeah. Okay, so just to provide this, just go through this question and select one. Yeah. Okay, these are all mandatory. You see here, mandatory, which means required field. Okay. So then by applying AWS, I confirm that AWS community AWS customer have previously agreed. Yes, agree. Okay, then do you have this AWS code of conduct? Yes, while participating. Yes. Okay, you are agree. And if you want to have some information, just click there and go through this. Okay, and what other things is there? Source of content, code of conduct. If I am accepted this program, I certify that I will not uh, uh, plagiarize content from other sources, which means you will not take any content from other sources, like which is already there from the social media, or maybe the copyright content, or maybe for that ChatGPT created one. Yes, okay, these are the things. Yes, uh, not okay, not create the content which I already. I accepted into the program. You have consent to receive occasional email from uh, community team regarding this. Yeah, you can click it. Okay. So next would be okay. Oh, now you have come to this final step for the application. Your application will be submitted once you click submit application. The below submit button. Once you have submitted, you will be unable to edit the submission. Okay. So which means that, so please carefully go through each and every step. Then accordingly you can do it. Okay. So means before submission you can do it. Go back on the previous page and do all those things. So I think I encourage you to provide the uh, clear data with the proper information, so that your application will be selected at most. Okay, so maybe most option would be there for to your application will get selected. That is the reason I'm just encouraging you to provide the data in a proper way and for the correct way, so that your application will not go into a different way. Maybe you will getting the more option to select, means get into this program. Okay. And please ensure all the information are valid. I see here, that's what I'm saying. Please ensure all the, we appreciate time, okay, for this application. So once you submit this application, your application will get submitted, and you will get some submission number, so that you can keep it with you. I think you need to wait for still March. Okay. For the uh, for the result. I hope, I think, I just I just made this video because why I'm saying, right. So when I'm applying for this first time, so I had some of the doubts. That time don't know how to whom I need to contact, and how to rectify those steps, right. So that is the reason I faced some of the challenges during my application form filling. That is the reason I don't want to say I don't want to face the same thing for the newcomers. So that is the reason I just create. I thought to create this video for step by step process so that everybody can understand easily. They don't want to create means don't want to have any kind of problem during this application form filling stage. Okay, so I hope you have understood all those points, and I would help you maybe for if you have any concern or any doubt or maybe for any information required as part of this form, you always welcome. Okay, so you just reach out to me. Maybe I can help you out. Okay, so definitely you do your contribution, do your best effort, you will always recognize. Okay, so all the very best for your AWS Community Builder Program for 2024. Welcome to the bold. Thank you very much. And also, I would request you to, okay, so go through to get this type of content in future. I would request you to uh, uh, like this video and subscribe this video so that whenever if this kind of video is basically for the technical related stuff or means related what is going on for cloud computing with respect to with respect to application programming as well as for the cloud computing as well as for DevOps or cloud or maybe for the artificial intelligence, machine learning related contents, I would always started and update uploading means videos in this channel. So uh, give your okay so for the suggestion also for support this channel. So for that, please subscribe to get this more video or whenever I'm uploading the data, uploading the video into the channel. Okay. Thank you very much for your patience. All the very best.